Planet 9, Planet X, is still missing in action after a survey of 87% of the southern sky. Scientists hunted for 6 years and found nothing significant. Astronomers searching for our solar system's elusive Planet 9, Planet X Nibiru, a theoretical world that may lurk deep in the cloud of icy rocks far beyond the orbit of Neptune, have come up short once again. In a recent paper published December 23, 2021, the astrophysical journal researchers pored over 6 years of telescope data, and they were trying to identify potential signs of Planet X, Planet 9 Nibiru in the southern sky, something in the southern sky, captured with the Atacama Cosmological Telescope ACT in Chile between 2013 and 19. The observations covered about 87% of the sky visible from the southern hemisphere. While the team identified more than 3,000 candidate light sources located between 400 and 800 astronomical units, that's about 400 to 800 times the distance between Earth and the Sun, which 1 AU is 93 million miles. None of those candidates could be confirmed as planets. This is only, of course, having to do with the southern sky. What about the northern or the eastern or western? Now, no significant detections are found, the team wrote in their paper. However, the fruitless search does not disprove the theoretical planet's existence. It merely narrows down where that planet may be lurking and what its properties could be, the researcher said. And ultimately, the study covers between only 10 to 20% of the planet's possible locations in the sky. It's a cold, dark world. Astronomers first began searching for Planet 9 in 2016, or 10 years after Pluto was demoted from its position as our solar system's 9th planet to become a mere dwarf planet. Astronomers noticed that 6 rocky objects beyond the orbit of Neptune clustered in a very strange way, with the most distant points of their orbits located much farther from the Sun than the nearest points of their orbits. The team calculated that the gravitational pull of an unseen planet measured 5 to 10 times the size of Earth could explain the eccentricity of those rocks' orbits. And half a decade later, many teams tried but failed to detect the theoretical world. The biggest hurdle in the hunt for Planet 9 is the sheer distance involved. While Pluto orbits between 30 and 50 AU from the Sun, the authors of the 2016 study estimated that Planet 9 could be anywhere between 400 and 800 AU away, so it's too far away. In fact, that sunlight may not reach the planet at all. That means there's little hope for ever detecting the cold, dark Planet 9, Planet X Nibiru with standard visible light telescopes. Instead, astronomers turn to the likes of the ACT telescope because it can search the cosmos in millimeter wavelengths, a short form of radio waves that come close to infrared radiation. Millimeter telescopes are often used to peer into the dim, freezing gas clouds where new stars form because such clouds don't absorb millimeter light, according to the International Research Institute for Radio Astronomy. While the survey failed to turn up any compelling evidence of Planet 9, new millimeter telescope facilities such as the Simons Observatory that's currently under construction in Chile's Atacama Desert will continue to search with even more sensitive telescopes, allowing researchers to narrow down even further where our long-lost neighbor might be lurking and hiding. This is by Brandon Spector on Live Science. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.